Okay, so today we're going to use this pictogram to help us answer some questions and interpret the data within the pictogram. So our first question, how many grapes and apples all together? So I'm going to underline all together because that's quite a key word. And then I'm going to underline grapes so I know I'm looking at them, and apples so I know I'm looking at them. Okay, all together means that we are adding to see how many there are of them all together. So we need to look at both grapes and apples and put those numbers together. So we know that that button represents 2. So if we go onto our pictogram, we're going to look at grapes first and count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And then we'll look at apples, but we'll continue from 14 because we've already got 14 for our grapes. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Let's do that one more time. So grapes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So how many grapes and apples altogether? There are 30. Number 2, how many more, it's a key word, pears than oranges? So how many more pears are there than oranges? So let's look at pears and look at oranges. So for pears, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. And for oranges, we've got 2, 4, 6, and our half of 1, 7. So the difference, they've got the same up until you get to this last button, and that last button, pears has a full button, and this one has half. So half a button we know represents 1, so it has 1 more. How many apples? So how many apples are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There are 16 apples. And the last one, find the difference between pears and grapes. So underline difference because that's our key word. Difference between pears and grapes. So we're going to look at pears and we're going to look at grapes and we're going to see what the difference is. Where are they the same till? So they've all got the same until this 4 here. So the difference is what comes after, which is these 3. So count in twos from these 3. So 2, 4, 6. So the difference between pears and grapes is 6.